Introduction * in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin continues to capture the imagination of investors and enthusiasts alike. As economic and geopolitical dynamics shift, the potential for Bitcoin's price to soar to unprecedented heights becomes a topic of intense speculation. With the current global tensions and economic uncertainties, could Bitcoin be on the verge of a historic rally, possibly reaching the astounding price of $120,000? Let's delve into the factors at play and explore the possibilities. Will Bitcoin reach $120,000? The prospect of Bitcoin reaching $120,000 is becoming an intriguing possibility, particularly in the context of ongoing geopolitical tensions and economic uncertainties. The strife between the U.S. and Iran, along with the unpredictability of trade talks, has put the Federal Reserve in a position where it might need to consider cutting interest rates. Such a move could potentially ignite a Bitcoin rally, driving its price to new heights. The impact of geopolitical events have a well-documented history of influencing financial markets, and Bitcoin is no exception. During periods of uncertainty and conflict, investors often seek refuge in safe haven assets like gold and Bitcoin, which can lead to price surges. If tensions between the U.S. and Iran escalate, or if U.S.-China trade negotiations fall apart, the Federal Reserve may resort to lowering interest rates to stimulate economic activity and stave off a global recession. This scenario could significantly boost Bitcoin demand, pushing its price upwards. The role of the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve plays a pivotal role in shaping the U.S. economy's trajectory. By adjusting interest rates, it can influence consumer and business behaviors, thereby affecting the broader economic environment. A decision by the Fed to reduce rates in response to geopolitical strains or trade negotiation breakdowns could signal economic trouble, prompting investors to flock to safe haven assets like Bitcoin. This influx of investment could drive Bitcoin's price to unprecedented levels. The potential for a Bitcoin rally, while predicting Bitcoin's future price with absolute certainty, is impossible. The potential for a significant rally exists if the Federal Reserve opts to ease rates in response to external pressures. Many analysts argue that Bitcoin could reach $120,000 or beyond in the coming years, fueled by factors such as increased adoption, its inherent scarcity, and prevailing macroeconomic trends. Conclusion * in summary, Bitcoin's price is intricately linked to geopolitical developments and macroeconomic conditions. Should the Federal Reserve decide to cut interest rates in response to escalating tensions with Iran or a breakdown in trade discussions, it could trigger a monumental Bitcoin rally, potentially setting new all-time highs. Investors are advised to keep a vigilant eye on these unfolding events and brace themselves for possible volatility in the cryptocurrency markets. As the world watches, Bitcoin's journey continues to unfold, promising both excitement and opportunity.